wanna get. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro.
Hey y'all, what's up? This is F8 Hemi. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe and share. If you're not new here, still like and share. Today is actually going to be an interesting day. I'm actually driving to the muffler shop right now to get the mid muffler sleeve and also install the 5-inch exhaust tips. So hopefully it will sound good. I've been doing a lot of research for last few months, and I think so this is so far the easiest and the reasonable and the best I would say the best option. I've seen videos, it sounds very good, so hopefully it will sound really good. And in the end of the video, oh sorry, my radar is beeping, but yeah, no, in the end of the video I will share I will show you guys I will show the clip of the stock exhaust and also the mid muffler delete exhaust clip, so you can see the difference. So I'm excited. So once I get there, I will start show you guys the process and everything, and show you how it work, how it went. You can see I can fit my whole fist in here. One is on, the other one is about to be on. I'm glad Max introduced me to this shop. It never worked an hour drive. It was really good. Now I thought I can do it and I can try just a quick cold start. Just a quick warm start with the mid muffler delete. So these exhaust tips are nice. As you can see, it's big. So yeah, let's see the I've been driving all this, so it's bomb start. So yeah. Sorry, yeah, my car is dirty right now, but just ignore that. I'm gonna do the rev a little bit so you guys can see. Trying to adjust the camera. Yep. So hopefully you guys like the video. I know like I haven't been able to post that much like content lately, but once the weather is good and the car meet season is back on, I will be like posting more content soon, and it will be like nice content too. So yeah, I'm excited. So I will see you guys in the next video.
Add it up, bankroll, euro,